PhD student accidentally finds lost city in Mexico.
Researchers have detected what may be an ancient Mayan city surrounded by jungle in southern Mexico. The lost city was discovered by accident by a PhD student at Tulane University in the U.S. Luke Ald Thomas was looking at data on the internet when he noticed strange formations in a survey of the jungle. "I was on something like page 16 of Google search and found a laser survey done by a Mexican organization for environmental monitoring," he told the BBC. Ald Thomas, together with other researchers, re-examined the findings of the 2013 LIDAR survey, a technique that maps landscapes using thousands of laser pulses sent from a plane, which can detect variations in topography that are not clear to the naked eye. Mexico's National Institute said about 6,479 structures have been detected in images covering an area of about 122 square kilometers. The structures include what appear to be temple platforms, courts, housing platforms, farmland, and more. The National Institute said the structures may date to between 250 and 900 AD, but people could have started living there 100 years earlier. The city could have been home to between 30,000 and 50,000 people, the researchers said. What the study, published in the journal Antiquity, suggests is that much of the empty space between known Maya sites may once have been very heavily populated. Ald Thomas's advisor, Marcelo Canuto, said the data they've collected will allow us to tell better stories of the ancient Mayan people, combining what scientists already know, political and religious histories, with new details about how ancient civilizations were run. The city, which is in the Yucatan Peninsula in southeastern Mexico, is being called Valeriana by researchers, after a nearby lagoon. Researchers say the city has been hidden in plain sight, as it's only a 15-minute walk from a main road near Spujil, which has a large Mayan population.